Sean from KVS Travel. We're at the Malibu Surfrider. It's just been reopened when?
September 21st.
September 21st open. We're going to look at room number 18. They're all pretty much like this room except for they have a really nice suite. Enter in, really nice floors. Let's give you a real beach sand feel. Queen beds. Some of the rooms have this nice little vaulted ceiling fan. It smells nice. It's got a little storage hanger bar there. You gotta be smart with the space because this is originally built in 1953. It's got a nice little safe and refrigerator there, ice box. Nice little tiny bathroom. And I don't mean tiny, it's nice and cozy, and it's got a really nice stone sink. And check this out, look, nice shower. High-end accessories in here, the faucets and shower and the rain shower and all that stuff. A Toto toilet, the seat doesn't slam, got 2 robes. And unfortunately today was a weird day, flat screen on the wall. Some weird fog came in over the Pacific, but you're right across the street from the Malibu Pier. Really good food over there. Right back there is Malibu Cafe, and right in the beginning is Malibu Farms Restaurant. But here's the view. You are right on the Pacific Coast Highway, and you're right at the Malibu Pier. Famous, right there's a sign. Famous Malibu Sport Fishing Pier. So Sean, you got a hand woven. Oh my gosh, I just said what this is. Chair and tables and this thing, you know, you lay in. I'm having a mind freeze, but you know. I'm laughing at myself because I can't believe I can't. Remember, I just got done talking to the general manager here about it. It's really nice. You can relax out here and we're right across the street. So close the door. And the traffic is gone, the noise is gone. So really nice, sound, wireless sound, Bluetooth for your music. Really cute room, very impressed, very nice. This is Sean, KVS Travel. Always call us, best price, best service. We actually travel, so we know the coolest places. KVS Travel, we even have a referral program. Always use a good travel agent. 610-463-3232. Thank you.